What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. I'm in Siem Reap and it's 8 in the morning and we're heading out to a lotus farm. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I talked to this Tuk Tuk driver.
Okay, thank you so much.
And he gave me a great deal. He's going to take me to the lotus farm. Thank you. So I've decided to go for a guided tour around the place and as well as a little boat ride through the water and the lily pads. They said, I think the way that it's going to work is we'll do the boat ride first, and then when the boat ride's over, they'll give me a guided walkthrough of this place. So I go with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So my guide came out and he said, alright, come into this Tuk Tuk. So now I've hopped into another Tuk Tuk, and I guess he's taking me to where the boat launch is. See a big mountain in the distance here. Really bumpy, muddy road. Probably because it's rain season. The road's getting washed away. Hello! Oh, hello! So we made it to the water. I guess we're lucky it's not pouring rain. Hop in one of these things and get out there on the water. Look at all these flies everywhere. Like this? Yeah. Are you, bud? Looks like as we're driving by, he's grabbing them and collecting them there. Huh? Oh, cool. He made a necklace. It's like the neck part, it's like he ripped the stem left, then right, then left, then right, then left, and it creates like a chain, and you can wear it around your neck. Oh!
Lư. Hello?
All right, fire her up, bud. are coming back into shore. And then we're going to head back to the Lotus Farm and go on a guided visit of the farm. All right. So we made it back to the Lotus Farm headquarters where we started, and we still have the guided tour to do. So they were explaining to us it's like a social enterprise here, and they don't use any electricity or added water. Everything's done by hand. They employ the local women here, and they've given over 25 women jobs here. And they have one in Battambang too, where they have 150 jobs for women there. All by hand and no extra water and no electricity or carbon footprint at all.
You can try. Yeah.
So they're saying it takes 1 week for it to turn from this into one of these big ones. These big ones, you can eat the things that come out of here, so we're going to try one right now.
In Cambodia. Alright, let's try the Lotus fruit. Yeah.
Thank you. Let's try this little seed or whatever this is.
Can they remind you something that in your country? Like green beans or not?
It's kind of like a sweet pea. That's what it tastes like. Wow.
Yeah. You
So they use this as a sponge,
Yeah.
they could, or sometimes as firewood when they're cooking.
Yeah.
Wow, and that's the dried up dead lotus flower at the end of its life cycle, right? Yeah.
For one round, they will count for 1 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3, 4, 5, like that. So
Okay.
this is
Each time it wraps around, that's a meter.
And this is meter, 100.
So you could just count the threads across, and then you know how many meters it is wrapped around there.
The small one, our staff is put in the satchel. Yeah. Okay, see? This is from the cotton. So in every year, we still have around 300 ton to 400 ton of the little stem where they're full of the fiber.
And they use those little stems to create, you could create paper or lotus leather. So it's like a non-animal type of leather that can be made from these fibers too, from the stems.
So after they dry that,
So I guess this is when they go to make the paper and they flatten it out, and now these are examples that are drying. You put the flower petals right into it? Wow.
this is the butterfly flower.
It's really cool. They put the real flower petals in while they made it.
And after year of maybe we spend around
Wow.
5 years to make.
They make tea out of the lotus too.
Yes. This is some part of the lotus flower. This is stamen. Yeah. And this is the petal. Yeah.
So that was the end of the guided tour, and there's one last thing. They said to go upstairs and I can try the Lotus Tea I was telling you about. They told us it would take like a whole month if they had to make a jacket for me out of lotus fibers. Great view up here. Wow, great. Thank you. Fresh Lotus tea from the Lotus Farm. Oh, wow, it's nice. I really like that. My favorite tea is usually jasmine tea, but this is really, really good too. Lotus flower tea. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.